Sir, good morning, sir. Vice sir. Sir, Sunil, are we audible?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah. Good morning. Good morning, Nikhil. Good morning, Ravindra, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Yeah. New Bartella. Sir, good morning to all of you, sir.
Good morning.
I'm Dr. Y. Vijay Kumar, Principal, GMIT. Shall we start, sir?
Yes, sir. Please. Yeah.
The cold morning remains the beauty of night, the glory of sun, the dignity of my thoughts, and the unconditional satisfaction. A very happy morning to all the dignitaries, cherished faculty members, and my fellow mates. I feel privileged to extend my warm welcome to all present over here for the inauguration of internship program and Android programming tools and IoT under BMAT Incubation Center and GM Next Gen Innovation Center. I'm Ima R of 6M ISC. Welcome you all for this inauguration function. It's a mark of undying tradition to invoke the Almighty at the beginning of an event with positive vibes. I call upon Spurti R and Sonia BS of 6M ISC for invocation song.
Correct time. Yes. Good.
Modaka priyana gajana, Modaka priyana gajana, Pashankushadara Mushika Vahana, Girijanandana Durita Nivarana, Pashankushadara Mushika Vahana, Girijanandana Durita Nivarana. Modaka priyana gajana, Modaka priyana ಸಕಲ ವಿದ್ಯೆಯ ಬಲ್ಲ ಸಂಕಟನಾಶ ಅಕಳಕ ಚರಿತನ ಸುತ ಗಣೇಶ ಸಕಲ ವಿದ್ಯೆಯ ಬಲ್ಲ ಸಂಕಟನಾಶ ಅಕಳಕ ಚರಿತನ ಸುತ ಗಣೇಶ ಪಂಕಜಸನ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಕಳೆಯೋ ಮನ ಕ್ಲೇಶ ಪಂಕಜಸನ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಕಳೆಯೋ ಮನ ಕ್ಲೇಶ ಅಕರದಿ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸೋ ಮನ ಹರುಷ ಅಕರದಿ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸೋ ಮನ ಹರುಷ ಮೋದಕ ಪ್ರಿಯನ ಗಜಾನ ಮೋದಕ ಪ್ರಿಯನ ಗಜಾನ ಮೋದಕ ಪ್ರಿಯನ ಗಜಾನ.
Thank you, Sonia and Spurti. It was pleasant indeed. Now, I call upon Sonia BS of 6M ISC to welcome the gathering.
Honorable dignitaries, respected lecturers, and my dear fellow mates, a very happy morning to all. This is Sonia BS from 6th ISC. A beautiful day begins with a beautiful mindset, new hopes, and new aspirations. Everything you need is already within you. I take this privilege to warmly welcome all our delegates for the inaugural function of internship programming on Android programming tools and IoT under BMAT Incubation Center and GM NextGen Innovation Center. I heartily welcome our beloved principal, Dr. Y. Vijay Kumar sir, for this inaugural. We welcome you, sir. I would like to welcome our chief guest, Mr. Nikhil Mirle, Head of Product, BMAT, Bangalore, for this auspicious event. We welcome you, sir. I would like to welcome our chief guest, Mr. Sunil Shambatna, General Manager, ALS, Bangalore, for this auspicious event. We welcome you, sir. I would also like to welcome resource person, Mr. Ravindra Mudithaya, Technical Consultant, ALS, Bangalore, for this auspicious event. We welcome you, sir.
Thank you.
I cordially welcome Dr. Sunil Kumar BS, Professor and Head, Department of Information Science and Engineering. We welcome you, sir. I also extend heartily welcome to all the coordinators, Mr. Kirti Prasad ji, Mr. Imran Khan, Mrs. Asha K, and Mr. Naveen RCM, and teaching and non-teaching faculty members of our department. Last but not the least, I would like to welcome all my fellow mates for this wonderful occasion. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Sonia. Now I request Dr. Sunil Kumar BS, the Professor and Head, Department of ISC, to enlighten us the importance of this internship.
Just talk about this. Good morning, all respected principal sir, and the guest of today's function, Mr. Sunil Shambatnawar from ALS, Mr. Nikhil, and Mr. Ravindra, my dear colleagues, the coordinators of this event, and all my dear students. It's indeed a dream of the department to take up many activities in connection with the industry. And of course, that is the trend of the day. The new education policy is being proposed to learn by the student on their interest. Also, it is giving more emphasis on their learning with the hands-on. So now it is the day wherein we look the student to learn their interest with a deep involvement in the subject. So this is possible only when you can make more and more this kind of hands-on sessions and make yourself comfortable, understand better, and you see that will create your future. So wherein I find this program has been initiated, and of course we have been approached both Mr. Sunil and Nikhil to take up the responsibility. I think they have wholeheartedly accepted our invitation, and I think Mr. Nikhil has taken a lot of effort in shortlisting the student by collecting the resume and making the interview, and finally out of 23 he could able to identify 12 candidates for him. And at the same time I can assure you that these 12 are going to get a lot of benefits from this. The reason for that is what Nikhil's plan is, it's not just the internship wherein you learn a technology, rather you will be continued with the BMAT for a final year project also, and hence he is trying to promise you that you will be prepared for BMAT requirement. On this occasion, I am disclosing this point that if you really perform well both in internship and in the project, you'll be absorbed by the BMAT. That is the kind of promise we received from BMAT and Mr. Nikhil. So we really very excited to know this, and that's the reason I requested the student to take part in this. And at the same time, in the previous meeting, I think it's Sunil used to visit our institution surprisingly without giving any prior knowledge to us. In fact, last week he was here, and the same thing I expressed with him. Why, Sunil? I think it's very surprised to see you again here. But you believe it or not, the interaction of 5 or 10 minutes could able to come out with a lot of things.
Yes.
We have chalked out one program for the second year student. So wherein it is going to be a very, very excellent program, because as I was telling you, the practical exposure is very important, and an advanced learning by the student is important. On that context, we have discussed whatever the technology they're going to learn in the second year end, so that will be learned in the beginning of the second year. Wherein he has already given a hint how we can proceed with that, and we have been worked out the strategy and planning. Probably in the coming days it will be executed in an effective way. So along with that, the internship was the another kind of a program that we discussed, and he happily accepted. But the only thing is, during this pandemic, how best we can execute was the question for us. I think finally we could come out with this kind of structure wherein both the BMAT and the ALS will support online, and they even give importance to the offline connectivity. So probably once in a while, one or the two persons, resource person will come down here and interact with you, so that they can resolve the issues. And at the same time, the department faculty are also participating in this program to support the resource people, and hence I definitely very confident that this program will give 100% to our student, and whatever we are expected as an outcome, that will come out very well. So with this, I thank all the BMAT team and also the ALS team for having accepted our invitation and being the part of this program. Hope this is going to give a lot of stuff to our student. I wish all the very best to all my student, and at the same time, I extend my warm thanks to our beloved principal for having accepted our invitation, and he has agreed for this kind of program, and is always supportive to us and give a lot of motivation to us. So I am really happy to have him on this occasion. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir, for your informative words. No one liked the lab in order to hide it behind the door. The purpose of life is to create more light, to open people's eyes, to reveal the marvels around. I request all the dignitaries to light the lamp. It is.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ.
ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್, ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್.
Students.
Come.
ಯಾರು ಬನ್ನಿ, ನೀವು ಯಾರು ಒಬ್ರು ಬರೋಣ ಸೈಡ್. ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
Hello. I think it's muted. Ravindra sir, can you hear?
Yeah, I'm hearing, but no, I'm not hearing the
College side.
speaker.
Yeah. I was not able to hear or see the video also.
I think Paul has got dropped.
Oh, I see. Okay.
ನಿಖಿಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಡಿಬಲ್ ಅಂತ. Sir, is it audible, sir?
Yes, sir. Now it's audible, sir. Now
It's loud and clear. Loud and clear.
I feel an immense pleasure to introduce our today's resource person, Mr. Nikhil Midle, Head of Products and Strategies at GM Global. He is having more than 8 years of experience in working all the levels of business and software stack. He is being a co-founder in 2013 and he is starting Book My Spark, a wellness platform. He works on developing product strategies, acting on customer problems, ensuring users' feedback, planning across functional teams to grow. I request you to speak few words about this, sir.
Good morning, one and all. My respects to Vijay Kumar sir, Sunil sir, and the chairpersons, Sunil and Ravindra sir. My respects to you and good morning. I hope I'm loud and clear to the whole team and they can hear me out. So to start with, we've been running internships from the last few years with GM Group, and we are really happy to announce that we are running another round. We just missed the last year. From the last few years, we've been running internships for the students. I hope it is benefiting the students and the team who's actually running on this. So to start with, I know it's a congratulations to all the students on their exciting stage of their life. Internships are always interesting. It's fun going and a lot of things to learn. And it's also about understanding how an IT or how an industry actually works. So I extend a warm welcome to all the students who are doing internship under BMAT. So welcome you whole team. So the next few weeks, I'm expecting the students to be working on few interesting areas on few tech stacks which we work on. So a few of them have already been monitored and checked on that, and working on JavaScript. They'll be working on PHP and web development. So they will be working on iOS development, Android. So multiple full stacks where we have actually assigned team leads for each. For every 2 students, we have assigned a team lead. So who will be monitoring. So I request all the students to actively participate and come out with any queries or any problems if you guys have. So you feel free to speak with us whenever you want. Hopefully it is not on a business working hours actually. So as in terms when we are actually having any business meetings apart from that. So we will be there to help you guys out and train you guys as much as possible to the best of our knowledge, and to make sure that you will scale up your internship in such a way that you will also be part of the industry with us soon. So please take it quite seriously. And it's not that it's kind of a test or any of that. It's just like an IT way of working on few things where you'll be put across your modules, whatever you will be working on. If you have actually made it very clear, all the modules which you will be working on will be live with the platforms which we are already live with. So for example, let's take up one of the things where a PHP developer will be working on a couple of modules which will actually go live on one of the instances which we actually use it on BMAT, which will be used by millions of users. So that's one thing which I can actually make sure. So make sure you actually take care a little more, and with a little bit of training from our team. So I would also request you guys that there would not be much of spoon feeding. So we request you to have a little more interest on what you're actually preparing for and actually put 100% effort. So we will also run multiple projects based on the interest of the students, and make sure based on their talent, we would also, as Sunil sir has already mentioned, we would also love to hire you people, come over to college and probably hire you guys in the next round. So this is what I would probably want to say. And lastly, I would also want to thank all the professors who would actually be part of and coordinating with the students. So welcome, warmest welcome to the BMAT team actually.
Not audible. It's not audible. Hello.
Hello, not audible.
It's not audible. For you, sir?
No, it is not audible. I think they mute the call.
It's not audible.
Yeah, now?
Is it okay, sir?
Yeah.
I'm profusely elated to take an opportunity to introduce our resource person, Mr. Sunil T. Sambatnar, General Manager, Advanced Electronic System, Bangalore. He completed BE in ENC from SDM College of Engineering, Dharwad. He joined ALS in 1992 as a trainee marketing engineer. Now he is the General Manager handling both national and international markets. He is also involved in initial stages of products design and framing of specifications. Due to his initiatives that today AL is one of the leading manufacturers and suppliers of products to educational institutes and industries all over India. He has also published a book based on the event both from professional and personal life, which is published by the name Footprints. We are very grateful to have you, sir. I request you to speak few words.
Yeah, thank you so much. First of all, so good morning, sir. Good morning to Principal Sir, Sunil Sir, Ravindra Sir, and Murli Sir. And it's a pleasure. I mean, it's like from day one we have been associated with JMIT. Way back, probably when the college started, we have been associated with them. And since then, it's been a long journey, very beautiful journey, so to say. And we have been taking steps, each of us, part of the steps what we have taken in the growth. It so happened that when this, like rightly said, Sunil sir said, we keep meeting. That's what I keep joking to people. If I go to any college, so they will tell, "Matte bandappa ivanu matte nam college ge anta." Okay. So I just met sir recently, and it's like he said about 10 minutes. It's the first time that we are coming up with a IoT internship online, and thanks to Ravindra sir, who is my professor earlier, worked in industry, and he's got a lot of experience. So this has been evolved in a short span. And what I would say is that to the students especially, no programs are perfect. Okay, there'll be some kind of some kind of hiccups here and there. But what I feel is that the seriousness with what you do is very, very important. So there's always a room for improvement. Like I keep saying that till the end of our life, we keep learning things. Okay, especially technical things. It's never ending. Okay, so we keep learning all the time. So students, like what Murli sir said, it's very, very important that you take it up seriously, because we put a lot of effort. The college, especially the college side, they put a lot of effort to arranging these kind of programs. A lot of money is spent, time is spent. We also do a lot of extra work in order to coordinate these kind of things. So we'll be happy if the students are totally involved in these programs and they benefit out of this. So this is what I request to the students. Apart from that, I feel congratulate JMIT team, the principal sir and all the team for the kind of activities they have been doing. I've been watching closely because I keep traveling to so many colleges in Karnataka. Almost every college in Karnataka, I keep traveling and meeting people. But the kind of activities you people have been doing, it is really phenomenal. I keep seeing on the group of that IEC also. It's a tremendous, humongous kind of effort you have been putting on to make sure that the students are benefited. And it's not an easy job. Doing all the academics and plus doing this kind of activity, it takes a lot of effort actually. So really, I congratulate you, the team of JMIT, for taking a lot of this kind of steps, which really benefit the students. And this is what students have to look into basically, because colleges, especially colleges, providing so much of platform to you to enhance your skills. So it is only wise from your part that you people utilize your time seriously and make sure you gain extra knowledge. Okay. Today the situation is something wherein you just can't stick to the syllabus. Okay. Syllabus is just for the academic purpose, but it is way beyond the syllabus. Okay. IoT is one lab what we set up recently. Thanks to Sunil sir, we just started off a discussion, but really it took off like a rocket. And thanks to Sunil sir and his team, where within a short time we were able to set up this kind of a lab in JMIT. And I'll tell you, all the staff and the students there, that this is one of the best IoT centers we have set. We close about 12 centers we have set up, but JMIT center is one of the best, the kind of installations they have done. So thank you, sir, for giving us an opportunity to be part of JMIT's growth and also helping us also to grow in the process. So coming to IoT products, we are the only company, what I feel, who has designed a product basically to teach IoT concepts. Okay, so it's very, very important that probably during the session, I will tell Mr. Ravindra sir will explain the board. But in the nutshell, I will tell you, the board concept is something wherein it is very unique, which has got so many features on the single board, which helps you to understand the concepts of IoT. Earlier, there were no platform at all for you to understand the concepts of IoT. But what we did was, we imagined, we looked into the requirements of what actually IoT requirements are there, built up the board with so many features, and also the cloud connectivity, all those activities. It's a complete cycle, like, I mean, it's a total 360 degrees. It gives a complete idea to the students about IoT concepts. So that will give them an idea so that tomorrow when you want to do the projects, this gives a lot of inputs to you. So that is in the nutshell about the board, what we have done. And that's what sir is going to train you on this, the internship basically. Sir will explain the full things later on. Anyway, thank you, sir. Thank you so much for the opportunity. And let's hope that we all make sure that this program evolves into something very good, so that we can have it as every year. We can have it as some kind of an academic part of the academic calendar, so that all the students benefit. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Sunil.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words.
Thank you.
It's a great honor for me to introduce our another resource person, Mr. Ravindra Muditanaya, Technical Consultants, ALS, Bangalore. He graduated as an electrical engineer in 1984, SDM CET, Dharwad. He completed MTech in Industrial Electronics in 1990, KREC, Surathkal. He's having a lot of professional experience. He was the assistant professor from 1984 to 2001 at SDM CET, Dharwad. And from 2004 to 2007, he was the professor at MSRSAS, Bangalore, and professor at NMIT, Bangalore, and has 10 years of experience as a professor and head of Department of ECE at VDIT, Haryana. He is very much passionate to teach the practical aspects of computers programming in Python, C++, embedded system, IoT using Raspberry Pi, digital image processing, digital signals processing, and many more. I'm indeed too grateful to have you, sir. I request you to speak few words.
Very good morning to everybody on board. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can go ahead.
Okay. Thank you. Very good morning to everybody.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Thanks to Sunil, who has made me come amongst students. I was actually retired in last April, and I was working with the Raspberry Pi at home. And just few days back, he contacted me for this kind of activity, and I'm thankful to him for providing me an opportunity to come amongst students. I used a couple of phrases. One is the exploratory learning. In today's environment, or in today's era, the one who is exploratory towards learning will definitely succeed, or that is the only way to succeed. You have to be exploring new things. You have to be learning new things by exploring it yourself, and nobody is going to come and teach you, learn this or learn this. So find out yourself what is your interested subject or interested domain. Start exploring that. There are a lot of tools available which help you almost at no cost, and that will provide you the required basics, or strengthening of your basics is possible. So another word that I commonly use is engineering common sense. All of us know about the common sense, but it's only when you start learning in an exploratory manner, even your engineering common sense improves. And that's all required for the current scenario. More than your degree, your skills and your ability to carry out certain activities is more important. And as I think probably Nikhil will be using the word, your attitude towards learning, that's most important. And I don't see any dearth of material. As when we were students, yes, the books were books, and probably professors, they were the only source for us to know the things. But today there is no such dearth of resources. You always have Google auntie with you, and will be able to get anything you want. The only thing is you should have the proper attitude to explore the things. And that's all I did in the probably last 10 months of staying at home. Just to give you one small idea, in fact, I hope you can see this small box. I'm showing it in front of the camera. This was actually my computer for last 10 months. It is a Raspberry Pi 4. The reason why I was using is me being in home. I used to spend about 3 to 4 units of electricity every day on computer, because computer is to be on for about 10 to 12 hours. Desktop computer, which will be on for about 10 to 12 hours. But alternatively, I use this as a computer, which is a Raspberry Pi version 4 with the 4 GB RAM. And this could save me a lot of electricity over this time, because this hardly uses about 10 watts, as against about 150 to 180 watts of the PC desktop power usage. I can do anything that I do with the computer, with the desktop or laptop, listening to music or video or browsing, or even the editing activities. Anything can be carried out in that. Or using any compiler, any programs that I can execute, everything can be executed. So I once again, I think we will talk more about IoT in the later session. And I once again thank everybody, the organizers of this, in particular Sunil, for giving me an opportunity. Thank you once again.
Sir, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your enlightening words. Now I request our principal, Dr. Y. Vijay Kumar, to speak few words.
Sir, good morning to all, and very warm welcome to everyone. Sir, Mr. Nikhil, Sunil, Ravindra, I think you have a long relationship with the GM Institute of Technology. My single request for all of you is to make my students technically empowered. Because recently, I think you may be knowing, AICTE has submitted a report to the government stating that in the coming years, there is going to be a huge imbalance with respect to technical manpower. And 85 to 87% of the graduates are coming from the circuit branches, and only 10 to 12% are coming from non-circuit branches. That is a one type of problem. Second thing is, majority of the students, whoever is graduating from the institutions, they are with very high marks they are passing, but skill-wise, technical skill-wise, they are below x-axis. These are some of the observations which we have seen. That's the reason in GM Institute of Technology, we are making these type of platforms to make my students to understand what is required. Morning, I was talking to one of the HR who is visiting our company. He says that, sir, please ask your students not to upload any marks card. Even one marks card also, please don't upload. Because he says that I don't require the marks cards. Unnecessary, I don't waste data storage cost. Please ask them not to upload it. We will come and see what technical skills they have. Accordingly, we will shortlist them. Now we have a huge expectation from the placement and training and placement office to make them, these students, to understand what corporate is required and putting them into a right slot in the organization. Now, my students cannot survive in the organizations if they don't have the right skills. And that is the reason our chairman also says number of times, 50% of the time, give it to the students only, teaching and learning what industry requires tomorrow. That's the reason, sir, this is a single my request for all of you is make them ignite a spark among the students to learn themselves to go tomorrow to the industry. So with these few words, without wasting much of time, I think I need not tell to Sunil, because we had a lot of number of times we met and then discussed number of times. If you want to have whatever the support is required from the institution, yes, we are there as a Dean Academics, Sunil and myself, we want to make it. So with these few words, thank you very much, sir, for arranging this program to my students. And then, especially today, for engineering students, corporate is telling two things. One is the attitude problem. Even recently, Titan general manager HR also said that, sir, I am love to recruit diploma students rather than engineering students, for the simple reason is engineering students are coming with a degree certificate plus attitude. And diploma students are coming without anything, just they are entering into my organization. I can mold them the way I want. That is the reason, attitude wise, yes, at GMIT, almost every student has got very good respect and self-respect and everything. That's what recently during the COVID we got from the industries from where they are working, GMIT, and everybody is giving in a very positive result. Only the second thing is technical skills. That's the reason I'm requesting you, please take care of us, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you, Nikhil. Please visit our institution, Nikhil.
Sure, sir. Definitely.
Then, sir,
On the
sir, I think you know very well. I think you are
You leave it.
in the academic engineering institution. I think you know very well. Please take care of my students. Thank you very much, sir, and have a wonderful time.
Thank you, sir, for your informative and motivational words. For every start, there is an end. I request Bhumika V of 6M to deliver the oath of science.
A very good morning to all. I am Bhumika of 6th ISC. It gives me an immense pleasure to deliver the oath of thanks for this event to all the dignitaries assembled here. First of all, I would like to thank our resource person, Mr. Nikhil Mirle, Head of Product, BMAT, Bengaluru, who honored this function with his inspirational thoughts. Thank you, sir. And I would like to extend my thanks to resource person, Mr. Sunil T. Shambatnavar, General Manager, ALS, Bengaluru. And also, I would like to thank another resource person, Mr. Ravindra Muditaya, Technical Consultant, ALS, Bengaluru. Thank you, sir. And I would like to thank our beloved principal, Dr. Y. Vijay Kumar, for consistently encouraging the students. Thank you, sir. I would like to thank our beloved HOD, Dr. Sunil Kumar BS, for organizing this internship opportunity. Thank you, sir. And I would like to extend my thanks to all the internship coordinators, Mr. Kirti Prasadji, Mr. Imran Khan, Mrs. Asha K, and Mr. Naveen RCM, Assistant Professors, Department of ISC, for organizing this occasion. Thank you, sir and madam.
Thank you.
Finally, I would like to thank all the teaching and non-teaching staff and to all my dear friends for making this occasion as a grand success. Thank you. Once again, I thank one and all present here. Thank you.
Thank you, Bhumika. Till this was Hima R. will be signing off. Have a great day of learning.
Yeah, thank you all. Thank you very much. We will proceed with the next session.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.